Hello everyone, I am Professor Manjunath Kai from Department of Economics. Today we'll begin with third semester economics syllabus. Third semester economics syllabus is all about industrial economics. I am dealing with second unit, that is industrial policy. The first topic in second unit is Industrial Policy of India 1948, which was the first industrial policy in India after independence. What is industrial policy? Industrial policy refers to the policy of a government which aims at systematic and balanced development of industries in the country. The major objective of an industrial policy is to promote industries in the economic system. Industrial policy of 1948 is broadly classified into four categories. They are: first is exclusive state monopoly. Second is state monopoly for new units. Third is state regulate and control units. Fourth is unregulated private enterprises. We'll understand which are industries under these categories. The first classification is exclusive state monopoly. Under exclusive state monopoly, we find arms and ammunition industries, we find atomic energy, we find Indian Railways. Till date, these industries are owned and managed by central government. It is central government who owns the monopoly of these industries in India. Second classification is state monopoly for new units. Under this classification, we have industries like coal industry, iron and steel industry, aircraft manufacturing units, shipbuilding units, manufacturing of telephone, telegraph and wireless units, mineral oil industry. These industries are managed by respective state governments in India. Third classification is state regulations. Under this classification, we have industries like chemical and fertilizers, rubber manufacturing units, cement industry, paper and newsprint industry, automobiles and electric engineering. These units are regulated by central government in India. Fourth is unregulated private industries. Industrial policy of 1948 also gives more emphasis on small scale industries and has even more importance for role of foreign capital. In my next video, I'll let you know the details of industrial policy of 1956. Till then, stay safe. Have a good day. Bye.